Aran residential building by Pargar Architecture and Design Studio in Tehran, Iran. The Aran residential building is in the district of Zaferaneih in the north of Tehran, which is a green area near the hillside, with great views. The plot area is 1960 sqm and the total area is about 15,000 sqm on 16 floors, with a 40% occupancy rate. This building consists of 11 residential floors, 8 of which have two 370 sqm units, while 3 floors include 4 units of 200 sqm each. Ground floor of the building consists of a lobby, game room, gym, library, management room, and family cinema. On floor level -1, there is a swimming pool, spa center, meeting room, and mechanical room. The parking lot and storage rooms are located on floors -2 to -4. 2 rooftop gardens are designed at the roof of the building, which differ in usage and visual design. The design strategy was to represent the concept of combining nature with human lift. In the cognition research studies, it was found difficult to place 2 units in an east-west orientation, and the plans did not meet the desired result. Therefore, it was decided to place 1 unit in the northern section and another unit in the southern section. However, considering the orientation of the land, which is towards the southeast unlike most lands in Tehran, the northern unit received limited sunlight during the day while it had a better view in comparison with the southern unit. The design team decided to create 2 large openings on the east and west sides of the building in different orientations. Therefore, the unit plans were rotated by 45 degrees to be carefully sited for solar exposure and views of the adjacent mountains and green spaces. In addition, by this decision, the floor's foyer was also oriented towards the east of the project. This rotation was not possible on all floors due to the proximity to the neighbors. The first 3 floors are aligned with the skyline of the street and have a different geometry. The lobby on the ground floor is connected to 2 green courtyards, which are extensions of the eastern and western lobbies. The swimming pool is located on the first floor and overlooks the landscape. The natural slope of the ground provides proper daylight for this area and the conference room overlooking the pool. With the glass walls of the pool and conference room, it is possible to use both spaces simultaneously. The building facade is made up of a combination of 2 different stones, wood, and aluminum. The 45-degree rotation and axis has become the identity issue that is considered in different parts of the design, such as stone cuts in facade or interior wall coverings and unit doors, which has led to the unity of the building's components and elements.